boys and girls, welcome to our channel. Today it rained. Means, have you ever looked up in the sky and thought, where did the rain come from? Any guesses? Means, if you guess, who won the shower up there? No, that's not the guess. Well, it's actually part of a super cool science cycle. If you guessed that, you're correct. Let's find how it works. Rain is just water falling from the sky, but it doesn't start in the sky. It actually starts here on Earth, in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even puddles. Step 1. Evaporation. When the sun heats water, it turns into vapor, like invisible steam. This vapor rises up into the sky. Step 2. Condensation. High up in the sky, the air is cooler, so the vapor turns back into tiny water droplets. These droplets join together to form clouds. Number 3. Precipitation. When the cloud gets too full and heavy, the water falls down as rain. The sun gives heat energy to water, so it rises. Cool air takes away heat, so it forms droplets. And gravity pulls the heavy droplets down as rain. It's like the sky is doing science experiments all the time. Rain helps plants to grow because we can eat food. It fills rivers and lakes. Animals need it to drink to survive. It keeps the earth a cool place and a clean earth to live on. Without rain, we couldn't have food or enough water to live with. Oh God, you got that! Ready? Stop! Go! Stop! Oh, I can't! So next time it rains, don't just say, ugh. Say, thank you, clouds, for doing science. Quick question. Have you ever seen a big fluffy cloud? That's where rain is getting ready. But wait, if rain comes from clouds, what are clouds made of? Let's find in the next video.
Hold it, jump.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.